The Supreme Court hears arguments this morning on a major national question, the question of whether a single judge can make a decision that applies to the entire country. The details of the case involve President Trump's executive order to restrict which children born in the U.S. can be U.S. citizens, also known as birthright citizenship. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court for us, watching it all. Jan, good morning. What's at stake here?
Well, good morning. So the Trump administration is saying that one federal judge can't dictate national policy for everyone, while opponents say the alternative would be legal chaos. Now, we talked to an undocumented pregnant woman. She's seeking asylum. She asked us not to show her face.
This expecting mother says she dreams of her baby girl being born an American citizen. She worries without birthright citizenship, her baby could be deported back to Guatemala with her if she's forced to leave, where they both would be unsafe. But judges across the country are rejecting President Trump's efforts to end automatic birthright citizenship, 3 of those judges applying their rulings nationwide. President Trump has blasted those decisions, calling on the Supreme Court to act. Juan Perano, head of the nation's largest Hispanic civil rights organization, disagrees.
What is your concern if the court says no nationwide injunctions?
Well, then you're going to have lawsuits effectively filed in every single state. It's going to tie up the courts, and individuals may lose their protections under the Constitution if that happens.
The Obama and Biden administrations opposed national injunctions, arguing judges in conservative states like Texas, where opponents chose to file lawsuits, were dictating national policy. Now the shoe is on the other foot. A CBS News analysis of more than 300 lawsuits filed against the Trump administration found that outside of Washington, D.C., the most are in liberal Massachusetts, followed by Maryland, California, and New York. West Virginia Attorney General J.B. McCuskey says that shows why it's a problem when these rulings apply nationwide.
People begin to look at circuit judges as an extension of the political process. And that is fundamentally disastrous for the way that the public views the impartiality and the power of our court system.
Disastrous. Why?
Because the court is nothing if it doesn't have its integrity.
Now, the use of these sweeping injunctions has been growing significantly in recent years. There have been 39 of them so far, blocking President Trump's policies in his second term. Tony?
All right, Jan, thank you very much. Appreciate it.